What's up guys, Keegan with the Kentucky Welding Institute. I'm here with Mac and he's with Up in Smoke Welding Apparel. Our senior welding competition coming up April 13th is coming up quick and you don't want to miss it because Up in Smoke is going to be providing tons of prizes for that competition. Tell us a little bit about it, Mac.
What's going on, guys? Yeah, we're going to be, this is probably going to be what, the third or fourth competition we've been with KWI, sending some stuff up there for you guys. So we are going to be sending a bunch of different stuff. Some of the things obviously are not in front, but yeah, we're going to be sending some of our new Carbon X welding sleeves up there. They've been a top seller, been out of stock for a while, but they are coming back real soon. Then we're going to be throwing some stuff up there like our Zestos welding shirt. We got some of our Testudo welding jackets coming back into stock as well, and that's going to be another thing that we're sending up. It's the world's first welding jacket with a built-in hood that's meant for left and right-hand welders, so those are some of the things you're going to see while you're at KWI there.
Awesome guys, you don't want to miss it. April 13th, you can win prizes, scholarships, and most importantly, Up in Smoke Welding Apparel. See you there.